I'm so excited to share with you this tender, juicy smoked tri-tip Traeger recipe that'll have you making smoked meat like a pro in no time. It's fast, packed with flavor from a simple barbecue dry rub, and you can either finish it on the grill, in a cast iron skillet, or you could just carve it and eat it just like that. It kind of tastes like brisket if you use the right dry rub. So let's light up the pellet grill and make some smoked, delicious meat. All right, so your seasoned tri-tip with that barbecue rub, any sort of barbecue seasoning you have, goes right on the smoker grill at 225 degrees. And it actually doesn't even look to cook when it comes off. It's on there for about 30 minutes a pound. And when it does come off, you can decide if you want to finish it, whether that's in a cast iron pan or if you just want to slice it up, you could. But here we're using a cast iron, it's like a grill pan right on the stove because it started to turn rainy outside. So then we just let it sit for about 30 minutes, but as long as you do at least 15 minutes letting it rest, it should be good. And make sure you check out exactly how to cut tri-tip. There's a demonstration on Sip Bite Go. There's an entire post and I have an entire video on it. You actually find two different grains that you have to cut against. So you want to cut it once in the middle and then cut each individual side. So then it's just time to plate the tri-tip. You could really serve these just as they are, but they make really great smoked tri-tip sandwiches the next day if you have any leftovers. The meat stays really super tender, even in the fridge overnight or 2 nights. And here I just finished it with a really simple sprinkle of cilantro. You can check out the full recipe at Sip Bite Go. There you'll also find some of my favorite smoker recipes that are really easy for beginners, and here's one of them with chicken. You gotta check this out. If you love smoked foods, you have to see my best Traeger smoked whole chicken recipe without brine. It's so flavorful, and I'm going to teach you 2 ways to cook it, low and slow or a little bit faster if you need to make it for a weeknight meal. It's super easy. It only uses 3 ingredients, and like I said, you don't need a brine at all. So you can just fire up the Traeger grill, season it, throw it on, and everyone always absolutely loves it. You can find the recipe for this at Sip Bite Go. And make sure to subscribe to the Sip Bite Go channel on YouTube so you get more of my favorite tasty recipes that are easy to make and always delicious. All right, foodies, well, I hope that answers all your questions about how to smoke a tri-tip on the Traeger pellet grill. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!